Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is the Vintage Fungi here, and today I will drop you back in 2009 so we can see the Sony Ericsson Elm GreenHeart. Display TFT 256 color, resolution 240 with 320 pixel, internal memory 280 megabyte, micro SD card supported. We have a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a GPS, a stereo FM radio with RDS, of course, SMS, MMS, text message, WAP. Camera 5 megapixel autofocus, LED flashlight, video resolution 480p with 30 fps. If you stay tuned then, I will show you a very short video and one picture as well. Information provided by GSM Arena. We have a 1000 milliampere battery, BST43. In 2009, this phone it was cost approximately £100. Thank you for watching. It was the Vintage Fungi.